Commission calculations can be complex, often causing friction between sales and finance teams. Spiff's in-app commenting feature is designed to bridge that gap, fostering transparency and trust. For sales reps, this commenting feature is a game-changer for commission transparency. When a rep views their real-time commission statement, they can see exactly how every deal and activity contributed to their payout. If a number looks questionable or they need clarification on a specific line item, a deal value, or a payout rule, they simply click on that item and leave a comment right there. It acts as an instant, contextualized question. This eliminates the need for separate emails, confusing spreadsheets, or chasing down finance staff. It keeps the conversation directly tied to the specific data point, making it clear and efficient. Finance and compensation teams benefit by centralizing and streamlining the entire commission inquiry and dispute process. Instead of managing a flood of random email requests, all questions are logged directly within the Spiff platform. This allows the finance team to see the exact commission calculation the rep is questioning. They can easily add an internal note, provide a clear explanation, or make a quick adjustment right in the thread. The entire communication history is saved and audit-ready, which is essential for compliance and maintaining an accurate record. In short, Spiff's in-app commenting transforms a typically frustrating process into a collaborative one. Sales reps get fast, precise answers that build confidence in their earnings, while finance teams gain a structured, auditable, and much more efficient workflow for managing compensation inquiries. It's all about putting everyone on the same page, in real time, and making commission management a source of motivation, not mistrust.